In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT Atlas to create engaging social media posts from a web page. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly effective for those who want to generate content quickly and efficiently. Let's start by opening ChatGPT Atlas on your device. This user-friendly tool is designed to seamlessly integrate AI into your content creation process. Once you have it open, we're ready to move to the next step. Now, you'll need to choose a website to work with. For demonstration purposes, let's use Nike's official site. However, feel free to select any site that suits your needs. Getting onto a product page will be essential for creating targeted posts that resonate well with your audience. While on the Nike website, navigate to the men's basketball shoes section. Browsing through this category will provide us with a wealth of content and information, which we can transform into attractive social media updates. This is particularly beneficial if you're aiming to bring more attention to specific products or promotions. Next, you want to find the sidebar feature where you will see an option to ask ChatGPT. This is where the magic happens. This sidebar is essential because it's your gateway to interfacing directly with the AI, allowing you to input commands and receive content outputs tailored exactly to your needs. Now, it's time to craft your prompt. In this case, you'll want to instruct ChatGPT to create social media posts from the page you're currently viewing. Be sure to articulate clearly what you need. The format here is create social media posts from this page. By doing so, you provide the AI with a direct command that's easy to interpret, ensuring the most accurate and relevant content generation. After your prompt is ready and typed into the sidebar, the final step is to click Submit. It's that simple. Once you've done this, the AI tool will get to work processing the information from the web page you've selected and generate compelling social media posts for you. This can be an incredible time saver and a powerful way to enhance your marketing strategy without putting in tons of manual effort. And there you have it. You now know how to utilize ChatGPT Atlas to turn web page content into dynamic social media posts. This method is a wonderful example of how AI can simplify your workflows and amplify your content strategies. We hope you find this process both intuitive and beneficial for any current or future marketing efforts. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides like this one.